coming to do a second selection. Clamp Down. Wow. NASHANDA Charles. Shanda coming to do Clamp Down.
Decided to do some shopping, pack my vehicle in town. Hey, hey. When I return, drama begin. I see my tire clamp down. Whoa, oh. Though I approach the officer in a humble manner, they just to inquire what happened, sir. Without warning, he became hostile, as though I was his child. I said, this is futile. Why you so vile? He tell me, woman, don't waste my time. Just go and pay the fine. Well, I know all you know me. My mouth and have no boundary. I couldn't waste this opportunity. I tell he, prisoners walking out of the station as though they come out on vacation. You police too damn slack. All you should clamp down on that. Just like that they opening up cell, walking out free like it's a hotel. You police too damn slack. All you should clamp down on that. Kidnapping people and then killing, and police in the station. You should clamp down under, clamp it down. You sleeping, clamp it down. Prisoners leave, you don't have a clue. Thanks to the police from St. Vincent. Clamp it down, clamp it down. Only thing the police can do is to clamp down people's vehicles. Well, the officer was left spellbound, as if in a state of shock. Hey, hey. I say, officer, can't bite your tongue. Like big people, let us talk. Check out for roads and carnage, and tell me who's in charge. They who wearing the badge, who is large. People complaining guns on parade, but like the police afraid to make a raid. Though we hope fade, every time bullets spray, police and go in there, the place getting dread, people getting scared. But like all you want, the place paint red. If the guns and them coming in barrel, how come nobody in Richmond Hill? You police do damn slack. All you should clamp down on that. All this foolishness but 6 and 7. Tell me where the hell is the RRU? You police do damn slack. All you should clamp down on that. The country have more gangs than travel, but like the police spread out they on go slow. Police too damn slack. All you should clamp down on that. Clamp it down, clamp it down. Like Shaka Demos, we have to quote. The episode is more than she wrote. Clamp it down, clamp it down. Only thing the police can do is to clamp down people's vehicles. Like the anthem, I got his attention. At last he start to listen. Hey, hey. He say, I must make the admission. Everything you're saying is true. Whoa, whoa. lazy to do duty. Some of the political will want government to fail, but they're moving like snail that must curtail. Instead you climb tire, climb down the drug pusher. Robberies escalate, gambling start to inflate, yet you police slow to investigate. If you paid attention to children cry, Esther Patterson would have never died. Police too damn slack,
All you should climb down under.
if we start charging those who hush them out, a lot of mothers go start to speak
All
out.
you police too damn slack. All you should climb down under.
No loitering they often mention, but them youngest patrolling the station.
All you police too damn slack.
All you should climb down,
Under.
clamp it down, clamp it down. As he turned to go on the beat, he said, make sure you pay your ticket.
Clamp it down.
Clamp it down. Only thing the police can do is to clamp down people vehicle. Thank you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Only thing the police can do is to clamp down people vehicle.
CALYPSO, CALYPSO, and more CALYPSO. Sweet CALYPSO, and more CALYPSO. Where this come from?
NASHANDA, NASHANDA, you brought the house down.
Yes,
And how do you feel about your performance?
Oh God, I feel so great right now. I feel so good, you know. After the mishap last year, I had something to prove.
Yes,
Yeah.
and I think you proved it.
Yes,
I mean, we
yes.
see what the judges said, but from the reaction of the crowd, everything you did was
Thank
rather
you.
impressive.
Thank
and
you.
it was great that you took your mishap and turned it into this.
Of course.
Magic on stage.
Yes, no crying over spilled milk, you know. You fall, you get up, you dust your foot off, and you go again.
Yeah. Sound like a true trooper. You know, NASHANDA is 8 women in the semifinals tonight. It's the most we have had. And I think before this we had about 5. And now we've had 8 of you. And that is really impressive when you've all come across so strong.
Yes,
You know? So well done. And I know how are things for you in Carriacou now.
Well, you know, sometimes you have to take the best and make it you have to take the worst actually and make it the best, you know.
Yeah.
It's so much you could do. It's hard for us, but we'll make it. We'll rise again.
Yes.
Yes,
Oh yes.
yes.
Oh yes. Well, you definitely lifted the spirit of all Caracunians on that stage tonight.
Yes.
So best wishes.
Thank you very
and well
much.
done.
Thank you.
All right.